In honor of International Women's Day, attorney at law Jadia Jn Pierre addressed a gathering at the St. Lucia Teachers Credit Co-operative function held at Sandals Regency, La Talk. In her speech, Jn Pierre emphasized that the phrase women's rights is often used too casually without a true understanding of what those rights entail in society. Highlighting the six main rights outlined by Amnesty International, Jn Pierre pointed out that many of these rights are under threat and, for numerous women, remain unattainable.
The right to live free from violence and discrimination. This is a right that we have as women. When we look around us in our society, there are many of us who are victims of violence. And for some, the violence actually leads to death. How do we as women, the empowered women in the room, the educated women in the room, what is our role and responsibility to ensure that this right is attainable by all women in society?
She says today St. Lucia celebrates, but a 28-year-old mother of three is dead because her right to live free from violence was violated.
The system failed her. The community failed her. I would go as far as saying even we too as family members fail our children, fail the young girls in our community because we give up.
Jn Pierre further elaborated on the right to attain the highest standard of physical and mental health, emphasizing that access to these rights is crucial for the empowerment of women.
I will say the greatest threat to a woman's mental health in this society is the workplace. To put a woman in a room with sometimes 38 students without the necessary tools, without adequate facilities, and to expect them to continue to be superwoman in the face of all threats from parents, from community gangs, etc., is a violation of a woman's rights to enjoy the highest attainable standard of physical and mental health.
In her address, Jn Pierre called upon women to become advocates for their rights and to demand better from unions and institutions. She urged that accessing to financing is essential. As the event concluded, attendees were left inspired and motivated to take action in their communities, recognizing that the fight for women's rights is far from over. Cecil Actil, NBC Prime.